So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts, diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the HVAC system fuses and relays are located, that's the heater, ventilation, air conditioner fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, where you can buy parts, tools at a good price. That way guys, you do not waste your money and time. We'll share that information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. For the HVAC system fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger right here. For that specific purpose, we need to work into different fuse boxes guys. The first one, we need to open the hood. And once you open the hood on the Dodge Challenger, you may have a V6 or V8 engine, it doesn't matter. On the passenger side here is the main engine fuse box. Press the two tabs together and pull the cover up. You're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, for the HVAC system, which fuses and relays we need to check, okay, it will be quite a few fuses and relays. And now we're going to start, okay, by checking right here. Okay, let me show you. If you come in that row of fuses, we'll need to check fuse number 12. So will be that fuse right here, number 12. And you also may need to check guys, okay, fuse number 39. And 39 guys, okay, for any of you that are looking for that fuse, will be located right here, that NM 1239. Next, open the trunk. You have more fuses and relays there. Lift the carpet liner up. This is the spare tire underneath, that's a car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box, that's a closer look of it. Remove that cover by squishing the tabs together, you have that layout here. Specifically here we need to check guys, fuse number 15, right here, very important fuse. Relay 71, right here, and we have one more fuse. If you come in this row here, let's zoom in a little bit. That's fuse 31. Right after it on the right side you have a 15 amp blue fuse. Ours is barely visible, but the first fuse on the right side is known as fuse 32. That will be the one that you will need to check for the HVAC system as well on your Dodge Challenger. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.